This video is brought to you by Scenic. Hey Salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making a delicious Chick-Fil-A chicken sandwich. This chicken sandwich is gonna be so crispy. It's almost like a classic chicken fillet burger. It's so good. I'm gonna serve this Chick-Fil-A chicken sandwich with a mouth-watering Oreo milkshake. You're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. For the chicken, I'm using chicken breast. As you can see, it's quite large, so this should give you at least 4 chicken fillets, sometimes 5. First of all, I'm just gonna remove this tenderloin. You want to slowly work that up with your knife. Make sure not to cut yourself. Now get your breast, slice in the middle to get 2 equal portions. Let the knife do the work. And then cut them into 4 equal sized fillets. Now using a meat tenderizer, you want to even out the shapes from its thickest part so they will cook properly. Now here with your chicken, here with the seasoning mix, smoked paprika. I love the smell of smoked paprika. Good touch of the salt. Give that a really good mix with the help of your hands. Now cover and let this dry brine in the fridge for a few hours or overnight for best results. For our detergent with the flour, here with our seasoning, freshly ground black pepper, finally some salt. A really good mix to that. Now your flour doesn't need to be bland. You can have a little taste to check the seasoning. Or now to coat your chicken, grab your chicken obviously, grab the flour, some of this water. Now before we start coating our chicken, turn up the heat around medium in with the oil and bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius. Alright, so first of all we're gonna grab our chicken fillet into the flour and we're gonna coat this properly. Make sure to cover all sides and just shake off the excess. Now this goes into the water. Now if you want, you could use buttermilk for this. We want to wet that flour. I'm just gonna remove that. Now this goes back into the flour. Again, we're gonna coat this properly. Using your dry hand, give this a really good mix. Shake off the excess. This is exactly what we're looking for. Now this goes into the hot oil. Just keep it there for a few seconds and drop that in. Now you want to let this cook for around 6 to 7 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 75 Celsius. We're looking for a nice golden brown color on the chicken. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Just fry a few fillets at a time. Alright guys, our chicken is done. Let's carefully remove this and make sure to drain off the excess oil. I like to add a touch of the oregano on the top. That's a great aroma. Now some people ask me if they can air fry this. Absolutely. We all know air fryers are a healthier alternative to deep frying as it uses minimum amount of oil. They fry foods by circulating hot air around the food. I wanted to talk about the Perfect T22 air fryer who have kindly sponsored this video. Their brand new T22 air fryer offers turbo air technology for better taste and texture. It increases the cooking efficiency by 30% and locks the moisture inside the food to make it more crispier and juicier. This air fryer also offers smart control, which lets you remotely control it from your smartphone app. Now this is so convenient because let's say if you want to make these hot wings, all I have to do is just press start. It will automatically set the temperature to around 205 or whatever the recipe asks for. It offers low noise and up to 11 cooking functions such as preheat and keep warm. It is non-stick and super easy to clean. It also comes with a recipe book so you can get started in no time. I've made these delicious buffalo wings so juicy and crispy from the outside. As you can see, the texture of the wings is great and they taste amazing. You cannot tell if they have been air or deep fried. Overall, what I love about this air fryer is that the air turbo technology makes the food crispier without drying it out. I absolutely love the smart control. It automatically sets the temperature and time for a selected recipe, meaning you don't have to really set these up, which again saves you time. So if you're looking for a great air fryer and a healthy frying option without using much oil, then do check out the T22 air fryer. I will leave the link down below. It's a 35% discount right now, so make sure you go and check that out. Thank you Scenic for sponsoring this video. For our Oreo milkshake, first of all you want to grab these crushed Oreos. Gonna add some chopped hazelnuts on the top. You also want to grab some of this chocolate sauce. Now, first of all we're gonna prep our glass. So that goes into the chocolate, and now this goes onto your crushed Oreos. Alright, so that looks great. Just set aside for now. You can also add some of the chocolate sauce inside the glass. Now you want to grab your blender in with the vanilla ice cream with the milk, good touch of the vanilla extract with our Oreos, some of this chocolate sauce, and finally some hazelnuts. Cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Alright guys, let's plate this up. Grab some of the lettuce and the pickles. Grab your toast and bun. And with some of this sweet jalapeno, just spread that. Some of this fresh lettuce. Add in your beautiful chicken fillet. Slice of cheese goes on the top. And now you want to melt that cheese. Some of this pickle, adds a bit of sweetness to it. And finally top off the bun. Doesn't that look amazing? Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Looks amazing. Let's try the chicken fillet burger first. Bismillah. Wow. That is amazing. So delicious. The seasoning on this is great. You can really feel it. Is our chicken tender. So crispy. Alright, let's try our Oreo milkshake. Just gonna mix in some of that cream. Bismillah. That is so mouth-watering. So nice and thick. Now that was an amazing meal. You guys gonna really enjoy it. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.